Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 3338 second highest salary 2. So let's start guys. So employees table is given to us. This is a SQL problem. So employee ID is int, salary int, department is varchar. Employee ID is a unique key for this table. Each row of this table contains information about employee including their ID, salary, department. Write solution to find employees who earn second highest salary in each department. If multiple employees have second highest salary, then include all employees with that salary. Return the result table ordered by employee ID in ascending order. Result format is in the following example. Okay, so it is possible that there can be multiple employees with second highest salary. So you have to include all of them. That is what they are saying. Okay. So this is what the problem says. Let's understand this with some examples so that it will be more clear for you guys. So this is one example that's given to us. So for sales department, these are the four records. So which is the second highest here? So you will see that two second highest salaries are here, right? This is one and this is another. These are both are second highest. So you will include 2 for sales and 3 for sales, correct? 2 means ID you will include the 2 and 3 for sales because they have second highest salary, right? 8,000. Okay. For IT department, you have 3 records. These are the 3 records for IT department. Which is the second highest salary? This one, right? 55,000. So number 5. So you will include that one. IT 5. Okay. Fine. For marketing, which is second highest, 50,008, right? So marketing you will include 8, correct? Okay. And for HR, there is no second highest because this is the only one record. So you will not include anything. Okay, understood, right? Because there is no second highest, only one record is there. So this is what the problem says. So I hope you understood this problem clearly with this example. So interesting thing to understand is there is a possibility that you have multiple records actually, right? Multiple records which are second highest, right? This is very important. So now in this case, what you should be doing? So you have to use dense rank function here, right? Dense rank. Why dense rank and not rank? Because you have to. This is the case. You can have multiple records. You want to include all of them as second highest. So dense rank should be working correctly in that case, correct? So that's why we have to use a dense rank function of MySQL. Along with we have to partition the data based on the departments, right? Because we are finding the second highest for each department, correct? So we have to partition that data based on the department, correct, in the descending order. Okay, so this is the main idea basically. So I gave you a very good hint. So if you could solve it, just give it a pause and try to solve it. Otherwise I'll take a second and I'll show you my solution. Okay. Okay, so let's go to the solution. So this is our SQL query. So first I'll create one common table expression. So this is my common table expression, right? This is my common table expression, guys. Okay. What I am doing here in this common table expression. So with ranked employees city, this is the name of the common table expression as select star comma dense rank over, right? So I'm using a dense rank function over partition by department order by salary descending. So I'm partitioning the data based on the department and order by the salary descending order as a rank from employees table. Okay, so this is my common table expression I have created with this name. This is the name of the common table expression, ranked employees underscore CTE. Okay, now I'll use this CTE in my actual query. So this is my main query where I'm using the common table expression here, right? Select employee ID comma department from ranked employee CTE where rank is equal to 2, right? Rank is equal to 2, order by employee ID ascending order. One means employee ID, right? One means this is a column 1, column 2. So that is 1 basically, right? This one. Okay. Rank 2 will give you the second highest rank basically for that each salary. So you will get a second highest salary basically because you have used dense rank function here, right? Dense rank. So that's how you can write down this SQL query solution, guys, with the help of dense rank MySQL function along with partition by order by. So this is it, guys. So this is how you can solve this interesting coding problem. So they can ask you similar problems in the interview. They will ask you to find out second highest marks of students for each department, for example, right? So those kind of things you will see in the interview. So make sure you know this dense rank very well. This is a very important function that you should know. You should know how to partition the data, right? So you should know how to write partition. If you know this, these kind of problems you can easily solve. Basically, that's the point, right? And this is a very common interview questions, these kind of questions. So in-person rounds also you will get asked these kind of questions, and these are not like really very difficult questions or anything. It's just the matter that you should know these couple of functions and how to use them, right? Make sure you know how to write down a common table expression, because it makes your queries very modular, it's very readable. Rather than writing a lot of queries, like lot of big queries, you can just consider writing a common table expression so that you can modularize your SQL queries, so they become more readable, right, in the interviews. And you can also impress in the interviews if you know the common table expression. That's certainly an advantage for you guys. Okay, so I hope you like this SQL query solution and you understood this clearly. If you like this SQL query solution, then please give a like, give a thumbs up to this video, give it a like to this video, subscribe to our channel. Your subscription is really valuable and important for our channel. It helps and supports the channel, guys. Also, click on the bell notification icon button so you won't miss any interesting upcoming such videos from our channel. Share these videos with all your friends, your colleagues, so they will also watch and learn how to solve these kind of interview coding problems. On this channel, we create content and videos to help others in their interview preparation process by showing them how to solve different coding questions related to MySQL, Java, J2E, and different data structures and algorithms. We have more than 600 different solved coding problems. Those are very important problems. They are asked by big companies such as Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Google, Meta, Yahoo in their past interviews. So we would recommend that you should go through them. They will definitely give you a good preparation and will boost your confidence also. The important playlist on this channel we have created for you includes graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, problems solved by using binary search, dynamic programming, recursion, memoization, how to use and apply BFS and DFS, which stands for breadth first search and depth first search on graphs, matrices, and trees. The important data structures playlist we have for you guys includes stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap, max heap, arrays, array lists, linked lists. So everything is here. Take advantage. Go and check out the playlist. And if this playlist are helping you, then don't forget to write down in our in your comments. Your comments are really encouraging to us and help us to create more such good quality content to help others. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.